Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful 2D shapes, like this. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw this now. This is a circle. This time I am going to draw a heart. This time I'm going to draw beautiful triangles like this. This time, I am going to draw a beautiful trapezoid wow. Next, I am going to draw beautifully crossed. And then I am going to drawing very cute star. Great! Let's start coloring. I will color the triangle red, like this. I am coloring this heart green. Wow, that's great! This circle is pink color. Now I'm going to color trapezoid yellow. Light blue color. And I'm adding orange color inside the star. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!